Samsung Galaxy A56, a true mid-range killer or just another phone? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Premium glass build with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. A 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate and 1900 nits peak brightness, meaning crystal clear view even in sunlight. Powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, running on Android 15 with One UI 7. Up to 12 GB of RAM for smooth multitasking and 6 years of major Android updates. 50-megapixel main camera with OIS for super steady shots, plus ultra-wide and macro lenses. Selfie lovers get a 12-megapixel front camera with 4K video recording. Massive 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. Get 65% in just 30 minutes. A full day's power without worries. Stereo speakers for immersive sound, IP67 water and dust resistance, and under-display fingerprint sensor. But no 3.5mm headphone jack. Priced at around €480, a solid power-packed option in this range. What do you think? Buy or buy? Let me know in the comments. For more quick tech updates, like, share, and subscribe.